Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView with BitGet. First, make sure you have active accounts on both platforms. Then, log into your BitGet account and navigate to the API management section. This is usually found under your profile or security settings. You'll need to create new API keys there to establish the connection. This initial step is crucial for secure and efficient integration. Once in API management, click to create a new API key. You'll need to give it a name and set permissions, ensuring both read and trade access are enabled. For extra security, consider adding IP whitelisting to restrict access to specific IP addresses. After creation, BitGet will provide you with an API key and a secret key. It's vital to copy these immediately and store them securely, as the secret key is shown only once. Now head over to TradingView. In the trading panel at the bottom, find the broker list and select BitGet. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter your API key and secret key. Paste the keys you saved from BitGet into these fields. After entering them, click Connect or Link Account. TradingView will then attempt to establish a secure connection with your BitGet account, allowing you to trade directly. Congratulations! Your TradingView and BitGet accounts are now fully connected. You can now leverage TradingView's powerful charting tools and indicators to analyze the market, and then execute trades directly on BitGet without switching platforms. This integration streamlines your trading workflow significantly. For more great resources and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, make sure to check the description below this video. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.